Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today just a real quick video. The Chevy wouldn't start today, so I either got a bad battery or a bad alternator. We're going to pull both of those off real quick and run them down to the parts store, have them tested out and see which one I need to replace. So let's go ahead and get right into that. So just like that, we got the battery removed. We've got the alternator removed. Got the battery over there on the charger, and the alternator, we'll run that to the store and have them test it. So we took that down, tested it out. Alternator tested fine, battery didn't, so we went in and bought a new battery. So let's go ahead and get those installed back in. And there you have it. New battery, alternator's back installed. So we'll go ahead and get her fired up. Well, there you go. All back together. Starts right up. Bolts look good on the gauges. So once again, I want to thank everybody for watching. If you like this video, definitely give it that thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos. And we will see you in the next one.